I'll be guiding you guys on how to make a Game Pass on Roblox. So let's get started. So let's say someone wants to buy your Game Pass or something, or they want to donate your Robux and you want to create a Game Pass. So to do it, you're gonna go over to roblox.com and click on create. So once you click on create, it's gonna redirect you to a page like this where it's gonna show your creations and all the other options here. So first of all, you have to click on your place. So whatever your game is, you'll have to click on it. So in my case, this is the one right here. And then I'm gonna go over this option which says associated items. Now I'm gonna create a game pass on this game, and then I'm gonna share that link to my friend so that he can buy my game pass. So now I'm gonna click on the passes option, and here, as you guys can see, I have many game passes. So now I'm just gonna click on create a pass, and then I'll have to upload an image, name, description, and I'll have to create the pass. So now I'm gonna click upload image. I'm gonna put this image, and then I'll have to put the name, thank you, description, thank you, and then I'm gonna go down, click create pass. Just gonna wait for the pass to be created. Alright, so now once the pass is successfully created, you'll have to set a price for it. To do that, you'll have to click on your pass. You'll have to go over to sales, and then here you'll have to open this option which says item for sale, and then you'll have to type in the value. So let's say I'm typing in 100. So now you're only gonna get 70% of your price, and the other 30% is gonna be taken by Roblox. So if I put the price as 100, I'm only gonna get 70. So now I'll click save changes, and now if I go back to my associated items, my game passes, as you guys can see, it says that this game pass is for 100, but as you guys can see, the picture isn't showing up, and this is because the size is not perfect. So that's the reason it's not showing up, because it's a specific size which the passes are allowed to upload. So that's why it's not showing up. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.